Hey guys, it's Ashley from Precautioners, and this is my April Accio box. My husband is sleeping in the background, so forgive me if I keep looking that way. This was late because they had a item get stuck, I believe, or something like that. So. Green tissue paper for Slytherin. Do not want to lose that. So. This looks like it's like a house themed box. I have sunglasses. What we think? They're green. And I'm assuming it's like a little snake on the side. I don't know. Okay, not the best item. Next we have some Slytherin socks, which has, yes, and some brooms on them. So these are okay. I always appreciate a long pair of socks, so I'm cool with these. So far, Slytherin related. Okay. There's quite a few things in this box. I have what looks to be like a S for Slytherin, like a patch. So, not sure what I would actually put it on, but a drawstring bag. It's got a snake on it. I can appreciate one of these. Four items so far, which is normally 5 or so. but I still got like 3 items good to go. So we have is this Wizard's plant-based vanilla chocolate. I want to say this is like the Weasley's Oliver and his brother, their chocolate company, if I'm not mistaken. I could be wrong, I don't know. But we're gonna look at this, guys, because vanilla chocolate sounds amazing. Plant-based, dairy-free. I don't want to open that right now, though. It smells good. A little sticker that says, "Go Snakes." Last but not least, something I always love from Accio, which is their shirts. This is an awfully big shirt. It has the Accio logo on it, and it's black, white. It says, "No matter what house you're in, you are home." I love it. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items in this box, which there's usually like 5. So, although some of the items I could do without. But like I said, it is the House Pride box. So the bag is a mascot cotton backpack. The House Shield sunglasses. The House Pride pennant sticker. The Wizard Sports striped socks, the varsity letter patch, which I wouldn't know where to put it anyways, so. And then the House Unity tee. So yeah, that's everything that was in this April's box. So let me know what you think. Bye guys. Hey guys, it's Ashley, and this is just kind of a little edit me for the Accio box, for the House Pride box, because I think I said that I was going to try the chocolate they gave in later on, and so that's what I'm gonna do while looking the part with my Accio t-shirts that came in the box, and my, I don't know if you could see those because my camera was like, Accio socks. So I don't even know if you really saw those very well or not, but that's what we're gonna do. And my awesome and the Accio sunglasses, which I don't know how I didn't notice. I think I did, but I think I just thought it was some weird form of a snake. I don't know what I was thinking, but yeah, it's clearly a badger on there. So yeah. Anyways, let's get on with it. I don't even know if these will go. They like almost fit over my glasses, guys. So, I can barely see them. So we're gonna take them off for now. Or just like totally mess up my grades. But yeah, let's check out the chocolates. so, like I said, I want to say it says the Wizard's Magic. I want to say these are like from the Weasley twins chocolate thing that they have, if I'm not mistaken, but I could be wrong. I don't know. I could be. If not, I will try to figure it out and say below. But that was the fun. I kind of think my chocolate got melted pretty bad because I don't think it's supposed to look like that. At least not from other pictures that I've seen. Like, it's got some melt going on, but you know, it's Texas, so that happens. Is what it looks like. Like I said, it's not looking like a complete chocolate, which is fine. I'm not a big chocolate person, but it does say plant-based, vegan-friendly, dairy-free, made in Britain, palm oil-free, and like, yeah. It smells almost like chocolate, but it definitely doesn't have that sweetness like chocolate does. So, I mean, that, I don't know. It's not bad, but you know. So yeah, that's what we're going with. That's not bad. But like I said, I'm not a chocolate connoisseur and I'm not a big chocolate fan, so I don't know how good my opinion would be on that. So yeah, I will let y'all get back to the video, depending on how I set this up in the actual unboxing. So bye for now.